Hello, smart money traders. So today let's talk about how to use the rejection block to take entries, especially on the 1 hour time frame. And I'm doing this using a trade example I saw yesterday on the dollar index, the 1 hour time frame. First of all, I want you to study the order flow by first looking at the higher time frame. We already studied the weekly time frame and we agreed that the dollar is still currently bullish at the moment, and we're looking to see the dollar, trade into the drawn liquidity residing above. We're looking at the relative equal high here, the old high, and fair value gap residing above. And also for short-term trading, the dollar hasn't even traded into that fair value gap above that old high. So the dollar index is actually very bullish. Then the daily time frame, always remember that we are study market structure on the daily. Clearly, you can see the market structure. Price had created a shifting structure above that high and traded back into the bullish breaker right there, tapped into the breaker and the fair value gap and started to rally. And you can see also price has been trying to rally into the relative equal highs there, the old high, the fair value gap above, and that high. So on the 1 hour time frame yesterday, price created an entry signature using the rejection block, which was very powerful, and I wanted to show you guys how to use that to take trade entries. Yesterday we called buy on the dollar using the internal range, fair value gap there, and the bullish order block there. Price traded right below it, didn't create any form of confirmatory signature right in here at the 15 minutes time frame. Price instead traded into the rejection block. So the question is, where is the rejection block? You can see price took liquidity below there and created a shifting market structure bullish. And you remember my principle for identifying the rejection block is that there has to be a sweep of liquidity and the formation of a swing low. So price swept liquidity below there and created the 3 candle price action with the middle candle having the lowest low. That is your rejection block. So you'll be taking an entry once price trades into the high of the rejection. By the high, I mean from the close of that candle, since it's a sell candle, from the close down to the low of the candle. All of that is the rejection block, but the criteria for entry is once price trades into that level. That is where you are positioning your buy order using the rejection block, and your stop loss must be below the low of the rejection block candle. That's low there. And you can see price actually rallied massively, and we're targeting the higher time frame draw liquidity, the old high there, the high there, all of that as our potential draw on liquidity. All right, so while the dollar starts to rally, that's the time you're supposed to go to the Euro USD and look for shorts on the Euro dollar, and GBP USD. You look for sells on the Euro because the dollar is ready to start buying. Immediately you position the buy there. You start to sell Euro USD, sell GBP USD, and other foreign currency. Okay. My friends, don't forget to join the Telegram community where we are building something amazing. Just check the link on the description of the video and join the Telegram community. And don't forget to subscribe to this handle. Also, you can reach out to me using the link on the description of the video for probably inquiries about my one-on-one mentorship program. You can reach out to me. And I hope you learned something in this commentary. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good trading, stay safe.